myself Ushashri. Now I am going to demonstrate how to execute half adder hardware circuit. So here we are taking AB inputs. So combinational value 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and what will be the sum and carry. When you add 0 0 bit, will get 0 output. When you add 0 1 bit high, the output will be high, and when you add 1 with 0, output is 1 and carry is 0. When you add 1 1, the sum will be 0 and carry is 1. This is what when you add 2 bits sum and carry. For this high outputs, okay, we will write the expression for sum. Sum is equal to, okay, here 1 means here A is 0, B 1. So A bar B plus A1 B0. So A B bar, 0 means B bar. Now same as we will write the expression for carry, that is only 1 output. So that is AB is equal to 1. So directly AB expression. For this, when you design the logic circuit, taking A and connecting to NOT gate, B and connecting to NOT gate, okay. Now A bar B, take inverted output of A to AND gate input, same as B directly input. So these are all the two inputs and output is taken. Next, A B bar connected for AND, and these two outputs were connected for OR gate. This becomes sum. And coming to carry, A and B connected for AND gate, and carry will be obtained. Now we will see the pin diagram for NOT gate. 7404 IC is used as NOT gate IC. Okay, here we can connect 6 NOT gates. For each and every 14 pin IC, we need to connect 7th pin to ground as well 14th pin for VCC. Now first pin is input and second pin is output. Go on, you can connect 6 NOT gates. Same as coming to 7408 IC. First 1 and 2 pins are the input and the third pin is output. Same as here we can connect 4 AND gates. Coming to OR gate, 7432 IC. Okay, first 1 and 2 pins are input and the third pin becomes the output. Go on like that again. You can connect 4 OR gates using 7432 IC. Okay, now I am taking 7404 IC and placing here. So it works. NOT gate can be connected by using this. Now 7408 IC. This is used as AND gate. (7432) IC for OR gate. Now I will connect it according to the circuit. That is, first A input and given to first pin of NOT gate, and this A is connected for second AND gate first input. Same A is connected for second AND gate, that means 1 2 3 4th pin. And next connect same A, tapping a probe, connect it for third AND gate first pin, that is third AND gate. This is the 7th pin, 8th pin becomes output, so 9th pin. Now take the output of NOT gate, that is A bar and connect it for first AND gate first pin, that means pin number 1 and IC. That's it, A is given. Now connect one more input B give for NOT gate IC pin number 3, and this B is connected for first AND gate second input. The same B is connected to first AND gate second pin. Next, again the same B is connected for the third AND gate. Okay, this is 11, 12 inputs. Now take the inverted output that is from NOT gate, that is fourth pin, and connect it for the second AND gate second input, that is pin number 5. Okay, now AND gate, first AND gate output is given for OR gate input, that means pin number 3 is the AND gate output given for OR gate first pin number 1 input, and the second AND gate, that is pin number 6, is given as second input for OR gate, that is pin number 2. And now this OR gate output pin number 3 is taken as sum, and same as AND gate, third AND gate, that is pin number 8 is taken as output carry. Now please connect all the 7 pins to ground. Okay, connecting all the 7 pins, 7th pin of each IC to the ground, and 16th pin, that means here 14 pin, because it is 14 pin IC. So here, see here 2 slots are empty. That means these 8th and 9th pin are not considered for all the ICs. So 16th pin becomes 14th pin. 14th pin were connected for VCC plus 5 volts. Now switch on the circuit. Okay, switch on the trainer key. Now we'll check the truth table. That is for 0, 0, sum 0, carry 0. For 0, 0 input, sum 0, carry 0. Now give 1 for B, that is A, B, 0, 1. We'll get sum 1, carry 0. Sum 1, carry 0. Next, A is 1. A1, B0. So the output is sum 1 and carry 0. Now both inputs are 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Okay, this is the 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share my video. Myself Ushashri. Now I am going to demonstrate how to design the half subtractor hardware part, that is part B, 4th program, B experiment. Okay, 2 inputs A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When you do subtraction, that is from 0, 0, the difference is 0 and borrow becomes 0. When you subtract 1 from 0, the difference becomes 1 and borrow is 1. Next, when you subtract 1 from 0, the difference becomes 1 and borrow is 0. Now when you subtract 1 from 1, the difference is 0 and borrow is 0. Okay, now design the circuit, that is wherever 1, so difference, the circuit is, now difference expression is equal to, okay, A bar B plus A B bar. Same as borrow is equal to, that is A bar 1, where we will get output high, that is A bar B. Now we will design this using NOT gate for bar, AND gate, OR gate. Now we will connect first A bar, take one input A bar, B for AND gate. Okay, that is you can take pin number 1, 2 and 3. Same as A B bar, take one input from 1 A and other input B bar, NOT gate output. This is NOT gate pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 1, pin number 2. Okay, now take here 4, 5, 6, 7 is ground. Next borrow, connect these two for OR gate, that is pin number 1, 2 and take the output from pin number 3. This becomes difference. Borrow, take an input from NOT gate, first pin A bar and next B, that is NOT gate input pin, and connect with AND gate. Already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins were used. So 8 becomes output, 9 and 10 pins. Now this is the borrow. Now we will design the circuit hardware by using NOT gate IC number 7404 and AND gate 7408, OR gate 7432. Okay, these are all the ICs. Now I am connecting NOT gate IC 7404, 7408. See, the notch is upside, notch. Okay, connect this. Notch is upside, connect this here. And see, for all pins 2 slots were empty. Now connecting all pins, that is 7th pin is ground and 14th pin VCC, 7th pin ground, 14th pin VCC, because 2 slots were empty, so 8th pin, 9th pin were negligible, not considering. So after 7th pin, 10th pin becomes the 8th pin. Okay, now I have connected VCC and ground. I will design the circuit. That is first input, that is take an input A and connect it for NOT gate first pin, and from this again AND gate 4th pin. The same is connected for AND gate 4th pin. So from A input completed. Now A bar, that means second pin of NOT gate, inverted output taken, and that is first AND gate pin number 1. Okay, and next pin number 9, AND gate pin number 9. Pin number 9. After 7, this becomes 8 and 9. Next one, take the input B, next input, and connect it for NOT gate, third pin. And from this, AND gate second pin and AND gate 10th pin. AND gate second pin, and the same for AND gate next input. That's it. Next, from B bar AND gate second AND gate second next input, that means pin number 5. NOT gate output is taken and given for pin number 5 AND gate. Now we'll connect first AND gate output and second gate AND gate output for OR. That is pin number 3 AND gate to pin number 1 OR gate, and pin number 6 output of AND gate as input of OR gate, pin number 2, and the output of OR gate pin number 3 is taken as difference, and the output of third AND gate, that is pin number 8, is taken as borrow. Now switch on the circuit and check the truth table. Now we'll give the truth table, that is for 0 0 difference 0 borrow 0, for 0 1 difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Okay, next for 1 0 difference 1 1 అయిన తర్వాత for 1 A1 B0. Okay, now the difference is 1 and borrow is 0. If both inputs are 1 1, difference 0 and borrow 0. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share my video. Myself Ushashree. Now I am going to demonstrate how to design full adder hardware circuit. This is part B, 4th program C. Okay, this is the truth table, that is when you take the 3 bits, what is the sum and carry. By this we will get the sum expression like this and carry expression. Now I will design this according to the circuit of the sum and carry. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. Now I am going to design this. For this we need NOT gate 1 IC, that is 7404, and AND gate 2 ICs required, because from one IC you can connect 4 AND gates and from other IC you can connect 3 AND gates. And here we are using 2 OR gates and here 2 OR gates. 4 OR gates can be connected for 17432 IC. Now I am going to design this, placing this NOT gate, NOT IC 17408 for AND, 7432 for OR, and 7408 as used AND. I am connecting A input A for NOT gate, okay, A is connected for input, and we need to connect that same A input for AND gate, same for AND gate pin number 1, next same for, this is the second IC, you take other IC AND gate, so A same input for, this is another AND gate IC 7408, again same connection for third AND gate pin number 11, okay, take the output of NOT gate, that is A bar, and connect it for first gate another input AND gate second pin, and no other connections for A bar. Now take one more input, that is B, connect it for NOT gate third pin, and what are all the connections, check here, that is AND gate input. Same B input is given for AND gate other input. For B another connections, that is for B take 2 inputs and 2 AND gates new ICs. Okay, same again connecting 2 more inputs connected for first AND gate of new IC, other second IC. And next fourth pin of AND gate. Now take the inverted, that is B bar, from the fourth pin of NOT gate and check the connections, that is AND gate, fifth pin and no other connections. Now give the third input, that is C, for NOT gate and check the connections. C given for the fourth AND gate of first IC. So same, and that is fifth pin C is given for 14th pin AND gate. Next C, again that is C is connected for second IC of second AND gate and third AND gate. Again C is connected for second IC of second AND gate and third AND gate. Third AND gate. Input C is completed. Now take the inverted output, that is C bar, from the sixth pin of NOT IC and check the connections, that is third AND gate, that is pin number 9 of AND IC. And next no other connections from C bar, no other connections from C bar. Now inputs A, B, C and inverted inputs were completed. Now we'll connect all ICs, 7th pin to ground and 14th pin to VCC. 7th pin to ground and 14th pin to VCC. Seventh pin grounded and 14th pin VCC. 7th pin ground and 14th pin VCC. Now we'll connect the remaining connections. Now we'll connect the first OR gate output to the NOT gate. This is the OR gate. Okay, first OR gate output, that is this first AND gate and second AND gate outputs were given as an input for OR gate, that is the third pin and sixth pin of AND gate is given as an input 1 and 2 for OR gate, and the output is given for the fourth AND gate input. And one more, again the same output is given for NOT gate to get the inverted output, that means pin number 9 and 9 is given as input, and output NOT gate output, this is given for fourth pin of AND gate, pin number 13. Now the third AND gate output and fourth AND gate output were connected for OR gate. Okay, I am taking third AND gate output is given for OR gate and the fourth AND gate output is given for the OR gate input, and this output is taken as sum. Next, same as here, the second IC AND gate, okay, first AND gate, second AND gate connected for OR gate, third pin of second AND gate output and second pin of second IC AND gate is taken output and given for OR gate inputs, that is 9, 10 pin numbers and 8 is taken as output and given as an input for the OR gate. And one more AND gate, new AND gate output, that is taken and given as an input for OR gate. And the output of this OR gate is considered as carry. Now the circuit connections were completed. Now switch on the trainer kit and check the truth table. Okay, for 3 inputs 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0, is 0 0. Okay, now for 0 0 1, now this is A, B, C, C is 1, sum 1, carry 0. Now 0 1 0, sum 1, carry 0. 0 1 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 0 0, that is sum 1, carry 0. 1 0 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 1 0, sum 0, carry 1. All input ones, sum 1, carry 1. This is how to check the output for full adder. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe and share my video. Myself Ushashri. Now I am going to demonstrate how to design full subtractor hardware, that is fourth program part B under that D. Okay, see this is the truth table for full subtractor. Okay, 3 inputs A, B, C, and what will be the difference and borrow. Okay, according to this truth table, wherever the ones, that becomes the difference expression and ones for borrow becomes the borrow expression. Okay, and by using this expressions, this is the circuit diagram. Okay, actually this circuit is the same as full adder. See this. Okay, okay, this is the full adder circuit and this is the full subtractor circuit. Actually the sum, the circuit design and the expression is same for difference, and you check this. And then for carry, see the expressions will change only wherever you are connecting A for full adder, it should be connected from A bar for borrow. Expression I am showing this. See, for sum A exclusive or B into C bar plus A exclusive or B whole bar into C. Same is for difference. And when you come to carry, AB plus BC plus CA. But when you come to borrow in full subtractor, A bar C, A is changing to A bar, as well CA, that is A bar B. Okay, here wherever A is there, it is changing A bar, and BC is constant. BC is constant. Okay, instead of CA, CA, A bar C, and instead of AB, A bar B. So I'll just change these connections, that is from full adder I'll change to full subtractor. Where I have given A input for AND gates, I'll change to A bar and I'll show the both the outputs. Now we'll check the full adder circuit. Already this is, I have shown this full circuit designing in previous video. Please watch that video and just change these two connections. Yes, look at this circuit already designed. I am switch on the trainer kit. Now I'll show the output, that is this is the truth table for full adder. Okay, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, go on, you check for 1 1 1, it should be 1 1. Okay, now this I am just changing the connections. Check randomly for one input, that is 1 0 1 for full adder. See here for 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, 0 1. Now I'll change this full adder to full subtractor. Just that carry. Okay, that means A I'll give instead of A input, I'll change that A bar and I'll show the truth table for full subtractor. See here, for AND gate, first AND gate, okay, it is connected to A. This is connected for first NOT gate A. Now I will connect for NOT gate output pin number 2 instead of 1. Same as third AND gate. Okay. For this is for borrow. Okay. I am changing this. That is next AND gate, one input that is given from A, I am changing to A bar. Okay. This becomes the full subtractor. No need to change all the connections. Only the inputs you have given from A should change from A to A bar. That's it. Enough. Now we'll check the truth table. Switch on the trainer kit. Now check the truth table. Truth table, from the truth table, for 0 0 0 full subtractor, difference 0, borrow 0. Next for 0 0 1, difference 1, borrow 1. Next for 1 0, difference 1, borrow 1. For 1 1, difference 0, borrow 1. For 1 0 0, difference 1, borrow 0. Next 1 0 1, difference 0, borrow 0. For 1 1 0, difference 0, borrow 0. Now all ones, 1 1. That's it. Very simple. Just change the connections of full adder A input to A bar input. This becomes the full subtractor. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share my video.